Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 23rd through February 6th. And for this period, this is what we're expecting the flow to look like. We have this ridge here over the Northeast Pacific, and we have a trough here near Alaska. And we have a trough here in the west, still above normal heights across this region here. Very strong anomalies. You're looking at the GFS. And we have a trough over the North Pacific, over the North Atlantic, into the Northeast. And we have above normal heights associated with ridge over the Caribbean. So this is what we're forecasting the pattern to look like. Now, the West Coast will remain settled as Pacific energy continues to track into the region, and then we'll have this trough that will track into the plains, and then we'll interact with Gulf moisture and result in heavy rain across the south central states. Then we'll have cold air in place across the northern states, and this could result in some precipitation, snow, ice, so forth across this region here across the Midwest. That's on Sunday, and then on Monday it spreads into the Northeast. This is the GFS. It looks like the secondary that forms, but it's further out. That's on Monday, so the precipitation scoots out. And then we look at the European. And the European seems to be more robust with the precipitation. But look where the 540 line is, and we have probably this will be rain or mixture or so forth there before the secondary takes over. And then we look at the high resolution European, kind of the same. See, there's the first load dying out, second taken over. It seems to be too further. Right now it seems to be too far of the region. And then we look at the European ensembles. They're similar. Okay, and that will be early next week. That'll be like Monday into Tuesday. And then we'll have the next. Let me see if I'm going to the right one. Then the next system moves into the West Coast later on, late in the period. You can see it's just right off the West Coast at the end of the forecast period. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for January 28th to February 1st. And the Eastern Pacific Ridge continues to shift westward. And a trough in the west. The North Atlantic and the Northeast, we have a trough here, and we also have a ridge here across the high latitudes of Greenland and eastern Canada, and we still have this ridge down here across the Gulf Coast and the Southeast. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the West Coast and the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, and anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal are forecast. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, and with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here, with the probability of occurrence 35%. Now the period for February 2nd to the 6th. The ridge is forecast over the Northeast Pacific. You see it here, trough over the west and the North Atlantic. Above normal heights forecast for the plains of Ohio, Tennessee valleys. And some models, this trough forecast lift up, but some models different in the speed. We look at the GFS, brings it out. Then we have the European. Then the European ensemble is a little bit faster, and then the NAEFS is somewhat there within the range. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperature for the west and the east coast, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the plains into Tennessee and Ohio valleys, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. The probability of occurrence is 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation across much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 23rd through February 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.